All right, so that last video where I thought I had a signal wound up being just ground noise, which that happens a lot. That was the first piece of ground noise that I got in this property, so it was a little deceiving, but I've done a little bit of work around here. There's the backhoe, of course, and I've opened up the two pieces of dike in between the brown bedrock in the middle. You can see I've scraped down. There was a little bit of a hump right there. I've scraped down maybe 3 feet, and we have bedrock here right along the edge. Right now it's in the center of the frame. Then you can see my scrapings along the dike. Then you can see the next piece of bedrock with no scrapings, and then on the westerly side there of the dike you can see it's a much wider section, and you can follow it down into the flat zone. You can see kind of the discoloration, the brown discoloration in the middle where the dike is split, and we don't know how far that goes down in depth. We also don't know how far it goes in the direction of the mine. The mine shaft is just beyond that hill there. Somewhere along here, the two sections of dike, they intersect. One of the things that we're considering doing is from this end of the mine, declining down underneath the road that you see above there, stay on the dike itself. It's wide enough that we can do a turn. We can do a turn right there and then down and start going down. And then we figure we can get down to maybe 150 feet below ground on a decline in the distance that we have over to the mine shaft. So, the first couple of days, no gold in this section. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back down to the mine tailings and I'm going to spread them out a little bit, do some detecting. We know there is some gold in there. When they blast it, they muck out large loads of it, or they have. We're going to do the same when we start operating, but we know there's gold in there because Mr. Ed Coogan has found some.